Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a consistent character for influencer using Fooocus AI. So in order to do this, we are going to use collab.research.google.com. I will put the link of it down in the description box as well. So you just have to use the link and then you will be redirected on this type of page. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on this connect button. And once it is connected successfully, you will have to just run this particular command over here. Now when this script will run successfully, it will generate some of the URLs. So among these URLs, you need to make sure that you click on this URL which is running on a public URL. So after clicking on it, you will be redirected on Fooocus, where you will be able to generate the consistent character of influencer. So its interface will look something like this, which is quite blank over here. So in order to access the options, you will have to click on the advanced tab in the bottom. Then you are going to see all of the settings in the right hand side. By default, the setting will be on initial and the performance will be on speed. But if you want to change them, then you can change according to your convenience. But I would recommend you to keep it as it is. Then in the aspect ratio, you will have to change the aspect ratio to 1:1. Then in the image number, by default it will be set on 2, but if you wanted to generate 3 or 4 or maximum number, then you can use this slider in order to increase the number of images. But I would recommend you to keep it between 2 to 4, as it would help you to generate maximum and good output from this tool. After that, you are going to see this negative prompt section. So if you want to give any negative prompt, then you can also use this section. Then in the style, these three options will be selected. So if you want to select any of these, then you can click on the check button and it will be selected. But for this video, I'm going to keep it as it is. So once you are done with the setting, now is the time to write the prompt. So in this section, you just have to write the prompt. So let's say I want to write an American woman sitting in the park. After that, you can provide more details into your prompt, like her hair are blonde, she is 25, bright day. After giving this prompt, you will have to press the generate button. Once you do this, as you can see over here, that it has started generated the images for me. So you just have to wait for some time until this is complete. So as you can see over here, that it has given me these two images. If I click on it in order to make it big, then you will notice that it is very realistic, and now you can use this face in order to make the consistent character for. Now you can use this face as your AI influencer. Here is the second image. Now we will look at the third image that it has generated. Now the third image is quite different than these two, but these two images are very good. You can even play with the prompt and you can keep on generating until you get your desired results. So if you want to download your character, then you will have to just click on the image until it turns big. Then you just have to right click and click on save image as. Then you need to press the save button, and this way you will be able to save your generated image. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.